all that comments by Bo and Björn. Thank you, Bo and Björn. So we perhaps move to the next presenter. Still, we have 3 presentations yet. So next one is Narboyeva Hafiza from Samarkand State Architecture and Construction University. Hafiza, are you here? Hafiza? Yeah, share your screen, please, and begin your presentation. Yeah, please also go to the presentation mode. Yeah, please. Please begin.
Microphone is working.
Hafiza, you are mute. We don't hear anything, Hafiza. Hafiza?
İştilyaptı mı?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Hafiza from Samarkand State Architecture and Construction University. I would like to present my topic titled Integrating Green Roof and Green Wall System into Residential Architecture. This topic is very important and modern architecture because cities are growing rapidly and environmental problems such as climate change, air pollution, and energy increasing. Architects and planners looking for sustainable solutions to create healthier and more environmentally friendly residential buildings. Green roof and green wall systems are most innovative ecological technologies used in modern architecture and green roof and green wall systems, innovative technologies that help improve building performance and reduce energy and create green space in urban areas. These systems also support the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. Especially goals related to sustainable cities and
You're not changing your slides.
Yes, I did, but
We cannot see. We see only the first slide.
Yes.
And you don't have it in presentation mode either. So.
oh, but my computer is about. Let me check.
Third slide.
Okay, then in this presentation, I will explain the importance of green roof and green wall system in residential buildings. Also, residential architecture is their benefits of green building, challenge and their role. In their picture is a Singapore modern eco-friendly building there has a facade covered with green trees and plants. Also, is creating its contrast. And green roof structure, green wall and green roof structure. There is many benefits. First one is environmental benefits. Its green roof and green wall system contribute significantly to environmental sustainable by improving urban ecological conditions. And the second one, next one is main environmental benefits include improvement of urban biodiversity, also stormwater management and water retention, and also it's help reduction of noise pollution. The next slide is energy efficiency and thermal performance. The picture shows the vertical forest. It's skyscraper coming from Milan. Key advantages include reduced energy and consumption for heating and cooling, improved indoor thermal comfort, and extend the lifespan of building materials. And next slide is green roofs benefits. It helps also more ecological water and increase in roof lives. It's also thermal protections from sun. Also, it's improvement of microclimate and new habits for flora. The next presentation is, the next slide is design consideration for integrating green roof and green wall system. There shows a structure of consideration, like structural consideration, environmental consideration, also economic consideration. The next slide, solutions and recommendations to promote the successful integration of green roof, green wall system into residential architecture, following measure and recommended. It's also development of fair building, regulation and standards, training programs for architects and construction professionals. It helps. The next one is public awareness, environmental sustainability. These actions can support the wider adoption of new technologies and residential buildings. In conclusion, the integration of green roof and green wall systems are important for modern residential buildings. They help save energy, improve air quality, and create a healthier environment for people. These technologies also support the Sustainable Development Goals developed by United Nations. This helps also cities become more sustainable. Thank you for your attention, and I'm ready for the comments and questions.
Thank you, Hafiza. And the official opponent is Bakhadirova Rushana. Rushana, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
Yeah, please, your comments or questions.
And students, my name is Rushana. I study in Samarkand State Architecture and Civil Engineering University. Maybe the presentation is interesting and useful for us, but I have a question for Hafiza. How do green roof and green wall systems support the sustainable development goals introduced by the United Nations?
Thank you for the questions. Yes, it's green roof and green wall systems support the sustainable development goals by improving energy efficiency and reducing environmental impact, increasing green space, and creating healthier and more sustainable residential environments, like residential buildings.
Other questions or comments, Rushana? No?
Thank you, Hafiza. I am not a question. Another.
No question. Okay. So other students, please. Any questions or comments to Hafiza's presentation? Other comments? No? Then, please, Bo.
Okay, I can be first. Thank you, Hafiza, very much interesting, although one keeps wondering from the perspective of the Swedish climate that how to do this without negative effects on building material, etc. And that's perhaps something that you could have raised as well, because it's not so easy to have humid sections close to the house, the materials of the houses. But that's another thing. First of all, you should have learned to have a presentation mode, because you have a lot of text and the text is a bit small, although I'm sitting very close to the computer here and I can see it, but basically that's one issue. Maybe you could have decreased the text as well. To have less text and spoken more freely around the different issues. I also wonder, where did you get these very nice pictures? I think there is a source for that, unless you have done it yourself, and that is something that should be reflected in the presentation as well. Maybe also you could have mentioned some places where in practical terms these green roofs and green walls have been tested, implemented. Otherwise it was a sort of a nice package of a new area for me, so I enjoyed the presentation from that perspective. Thank you very much.
Hafiza?
Yes, thank you for your all comments. I appreciate it. I got many pictures from Pinterest and from Google. Yeah, I wrote that under the pictures also. Thank you for your comment.
Björn?
Well, I would like to start with that it is very nice to listen to you. You seem to master English in a good way for presentations like this, so there were no interruptions or problems with that. I would like also to emphasize a bit what Bo said. That the pictures, I think they are very central to your presentation. They are very imaginary and interesting as such. But my concentration was mixed up with all the text.